If you were into street machines in the 70s and 80s, this is the Camaro you wanted, and this is how you wanted it to look. Now, one of the first things you notice when you look at this beautiful Camaro is the color. I believe this is probably like grotto blue. It looks a little bit lighter than Le Mans blue. The original color was green for this car, according to the trim tag, but I am not complaining that it got the blue with the white stripe around the nose. You'll also notice that it has the RS package, so we've got the hidden headlights, and it's also got the SS badging, which has the SS hood. RS, of course, is Rally Sport, hidden headlights, also the trim around the wheel openings, and it'll have a different taillight panel as well. But that's not the coolest thing about the car. What I really dig is the overall look of this thing. Look at the stance. Sits a little high in the front, definitely jacked up in the back, and it's wearing a set of kind of period correct US mag slotted wheels and BFG radial TA white letter tires. This is like, look at this. I love it. Look at the stance. This aggressive street machine stance, jacked up in the back, wide tires sticking out. So these design cues really go back to the days before people were mini tubbing these things, and you couldn't buy a mini tub, and a lot of people didn't cut these cars apart. So to fit a bigger tire, they went out, and that's what this one has. Here you can see that Rally Sport lower reverse light, different tail lights and reverse lights. It's got a spoiler on the back. It's a 68 car. The spoiler, I think, is 69, but I'm not complaining about that either. And when you look inside, we've got an automatic transmission. We've got houndstooth interior, a great combination. We've got the console with the basket handle shifter on it, full gauge package on the console down there. And a few upgrades. It's got some modern audio disguised to look vintage and a vintage air AC system. So the rosewood steering wheel and some of the wood trim on the dash. This is a classy looking Camaro, but let's go under the hood and see what other 80s inspired tricks we have there. So if you lifted the hood of any first generation Camaro at a car show in the late 70s through the late 80s, this is what the engines looked like. It could have been a small block or a big block, but the gold anodized Moroso valve covers, the yellow plug wires, blackjack or hooker headers that are on it, this is how they were. So a car like this to me is a total time machine. Losers are shown the taillights and that jacked up rear suspension and ladder bars. And just listen to that sweet idle. We're very fortunate and appreciative that the owner let us do some work on this awesome blue Camaro. If you've got a cool car that needs some help or some upgrades, or maybe you're dreaming of a full custom hot rod to be built from scratch, you can reach us at v8speedshop.com, and we're always happy to learn how we can help make your dream car come true.